Well, we've got an eclectic mix in this morning. KTM's, Ducatis, Royal Enfields, Motor Guzzes, more Ducatis, Kawasaki's, Hondas, Sawbridges, Ducatis.
Best looking guy this side of what he is.
You think he's good looking, but then you see me. Oh, what a beauty. And then there's Bodie's. Mate. John's Bodie's on his way with his. Then it's Doncaster Motorcycles. Smile sometimes. There you go, the sun's out still, I like it.